Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. Bernadette, our artist fun. I'm excited. We're going to make some beautiful premium oatmeal milk and honey soap bars. We're going to be, as I mentioned, using our premium oatmeal, which is really nice. It's got a beautiful, beautiful color to it. Of course, we're going to be using some whole oatmeal. And also, we're going to put a little simmer to it with some gold simmer color. So that's going to be nice. So I'm looking forward to getting started here. But before we do, as always, I just want to say love, peace, and happiness. I hope everybody's having a great day, which I know you are because I see you now or bringing on your creative sides, and that's always a good time. So we're going to listen to some good music today and just relax and have fun and make this wonderful soap. I also want to say that I'm going to play a great song that I'm sure you've heard. It's by Beyonce and it's called Break My Soul. And it's just a beautiful song. It's something that get you pumped up and just feel good about yourself. And no matter what goes on with people in the world, nothing's going to break your soul. And that's how I feel. And that's how I want you to feel. So we're going to get started playing that beautiful song today. Thank you again, Bernadette, our artist fun. Let's get started. Doesn't that make you feel good? Look how pretty this premium oatmeal soap looks. Look at the tan on it. It's gorgeous. It's so, one thing about oatmeal, the soap, it's got a good feel to it, and with the oatmeal flakes in there, it just kind of gives you a good scrub on your skin, and I just love the feel of it. And it's also milky and creamy, and you know, it's a good, smooth, and bubbly soap. Very luxurious. I'm just going to put a little of this plastic wrap over this. As you know, soap does get hot, so I want to keep it from, just splashing and keep it covered. All right, I'm going to heat this up and I'll be back in just a couple of minutes. Hello, I'm back. Bernadette, our artist fun. Of course, I have my gloves on. Soap is sanitary. Just keep everything nice and clean. I've already sprayed some alcohol on my molds here and just wiped them out, dried them out. Always make sure there's no dust in them. And I'm back. I'm going to take this plastic off. Ooh, that's so nice and creamy. Look how creamy that oatmeal is. It's beautiful. I wish I could sing, but I can't. I love music though. It just relaxes me when I'm creating and just love doing it. I thought I'd change up the music style a little bit. I'm gonna add just a little bit of this gold simmer to it. This is just a nice, kind of just gives it a gold simmer. I'll take a little piece of my gold color, and I don't want to change it too much because it's the oatmeal milk and honey, but I do want to change it a little bit. I don't think I need any more than that. Well, we'll see. Just mix that up in there a little bit. Oh, it's just going to give it a good little simmer in there. I'm going to go ahead and also add my fragrance as well. And again, I'm using oatmeal milk and honey. Smells good. that smells good. And I want to make sure my fragrance blends in and that color. So I'm just going to mix this for a little bit so it binds well. Got my gold shimmers in. You can see it's already a nice oatmeal color, but it's just a little bit darker. It's beautiful. In fact, of course I want to add more. It's not going to be a lot. I just want to give it a good. It's going to start blending in there really good. But that smells so sensuous, so good. And I'm just going to make sure it's well and blended. I blended that a little bit. I'm going to take my oatmeal. Some beautiful colored oatmeal there. My oatmeal just has a nice, healthy look. But it looks like I can eat it right now. But I'm going to put some in there in our soap, which of course you know is going to make you feel so good when you rub the soap on your skin. I'm going to put too much. Let's blend that in. Yeah, let's blend that in and see. Oh yeah, it's going to be nice. We'll give it a chance to thicken up a little bit. And I can actually put a little bit more. It's going to be great. Of course, it's all floating at the bottom, but you can see my color changed a little bit. And I've got that oatmeal in there. And I'm just going to let that oatmeal sit for about a minute and kind of absorb. This has always been a favorite song of mine. Toni Braxton, she's a great singer. I think this is ready to pour. So, let's get started. If you're like me, I'm sentimental, so I like sentimental songs. I'm going to take a little bit of my oatmeal. We're going to fancy this up a little bit. And I'm just going to sprinkle just a little bit at the bottom. As you can see, it seems like a lot, but it's not. See? Okay. Let me take my time here. I still have my oatmeal at the bottom of this container, so I'm going to fill it a little bit, and then I'm going to come back. Now I look creamy. Ooh, I'm ready to get in the tub already. So I'm going to fill them only a little because I still got soap at the bottom. Now here comes my chunks. So I'm going to start pouring those out. I want that oatmeal to go all. Spray the backs. Get rid of some of those bubbles. The oatmeal is fine. Let them harden overnight for 24 hours. Or they can harden for an hour. You can let them sit for about 30 minutes or so. And then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. But I'm going to let them harden for over 24 hours. I'm excited about seeing the end results, and I know you are too. But these bars look beautiful. So I'm looking forward to show you the end results. Bernadette, our artist fun. See you in a little bit. Hello everybody, Bernadette, our artist fun. Welcome back. I'm excited about getting finished up with these beautiful oatmeal milk and honey soap bars I made with the Premium oatmeal. They're beautiful, and of course they have the whole oatmeal pieces in there that's going to make them feel really good on a good smooth silky bath. So I'm excited about it. Of course, I'm going to finish up with some music playing and get my gloves on, and I'm going to get started. Look how wonderful this oatmeal came out. Look at these soap bars. Aren't these gorgeous? You could see the thicker oatmeal that I put at the bottom. It's going to feel wonderful. Wonderful. These are some beautiful, luxurious soap bars. Look at the oatmeal color. Um, they are just going to be smooth and silky, and also just kind of exfoliate my skin by scrubbing them a little bit. So these came out beautiful. What I do is I take some plastic and I wrap the soap. Keep it moist, of course. Gotta have it moist. And I'm just going to take it and cut that a little bit so it's not lumpy. I'm just going to take this down, of course. I'm going to seal in that freshness. I'm going to go ahead and put this beautiful paw print. I love it. Looks gorgeous. I'm going to put that on there. I have finished up these beautiful oatmeal milk and honey soap bars. Wonderful premium soap here, oatmeal soap. As you can see, they came out gorgeous. They can go as gifts. They can go plain. The oatmeal looks wonderful. Either way you go, these came out beautiful. Yeah, oatmeal is just like a blend of sexy and smooth and luxurious. So these are great. I hope you loved them. If you did, we have DIY kits, do it yourself. Of course, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, ourartistfun.com. Get your own DIY. Thank you, Bernadette, Our Art is Fun.